Thank you for watching Greater Renovation Associates LLC. Today we'll be framing an exterior wall due to water damage and an adjoining ceiling. This is the exterior wall. As you can see, there's a lot of water damage. The insulation is also improperly installed. That's way too much space. It should be solid from stud to stud. Next, you'll see the top band, which is double 2x4s, but you can see there's water damage to that. We will also have to replace the bottom band, which you'll see coming up in the next photo, that is also water damaged. There's your bottom band. You see it's already discolored. We're gonna have to take all that out and redo it, reframe it. First, you'll reframe a secondary wall to carry the load of the primary wall while we remove it. Here you can see some of the external damage on the outer sheathing. We're going to replace all that and then replace the vinyl siding. As you see, we've already taken out our primary wall. Now it's just our secondary wall holding it for support. This is a closer look. We do it the exact same way, 16 center on stud. Check your building codes and your double band on the top. The ceiling in the background is also damaged. I'm going to show you a closer picture of the damage right here. It's made of plywood, so we're going to rip all that down, put insulation back up, and put sheetrock on it. You see the ceiling's already been demoed. We also found some rotten wood, and as you see the new studs, we've taken out the rotten wood and replaced that so it's stable again. Now we're going to frame up the new wall as we're starting it now. Make sure you check your building codes. Then we'll insulate the ceiling. Make sure you check your building codes for what type of insulation to use in the area that you're in. We will next remove the hot water heater so we can put insulation in the walls and sheetrock. Simultaneously, we'll have somebody put on the water barrier on the outside of your exterior sheathing and your vinyl siding. Mud tape the inside wall, hook up your hot water heater, and your wall has been repaired. You're ready for business.